Different locomotive.
We do... What about a sports train?
A what?
Sports train. One carriage and a car. It's a sports train.
Well, that defeats the point of it being a train, doesn't it?
One carriage.
No, listen, you've got sports cars, sports planes, sports boats, sports jackets. You've got loads of those. People pay more for sports experience.
If it's got one carriage, it's not a train.
No, train GT-R. And you can sell tickets for millions of pounds because everybody will want to go in a sports train.
Yes, but all the trains are on the same line, so you may as well just get a bigger, better locomotive and put them all together. That's why it's called...
That's a train.
You didn't bring the wrong car.
I'm not changing the car.
Well, we're doing a proper train.
Well, you haven't got a car.
Well,
we'll get one.
Uncouple me.
Oh, gladly.
Uncouple me.
Off you go.
Jeremy departed, leaving us with the task of finding a new locomotive.
Oh, yeah, that's great. We should pick that up later on.
No, we will not, because what is wrong with my idea for a sports train?
It's stupid. You're an idiot.
Are you suggesting, therefore, that Isambard Kingdom Brunel, the greatest engineer who ever lived, was an idiot?
No, because Brunel did not suggest making a sports train.
Well, that's where you're wrong. Because I have a photograph here of an engine designed to go on Brunel's Great Western Railway, and look at that.
What? In what way is that sporty?
Let me explain. We think today of a 20-inch rim as being very sporty. Look at that. That is a 96-inch rim. And look at this. That is a fat exhaust. And you'll notice one carriage. This is a max power train right here.
Anyway, look, putting aside Jeremy's